Hello coders, I'm back again with another video. Remember the good old days when we used to use Nokia mobile, which used to come with a manual in which some functionalities of the mobiles were being demonstrated, and it was a hefty book, a thick kind of book. And then came, we all moved around, and we have a book which doesn't give any of the information about the mobile we are using, but I will be showing you a way in which MS Word will be showing you all of the shortcuts, all of the things which it is using. So the shortcuts I am using for MS Word. So let's open up Word. So I'll be pressing the window key and then write Word. And after writing Word, let's open MS Word, and then here is my Word. Now I'll be pressing Alt F8 from my keyboard, and here I'll be typing list commands. List commands, fine, commands, 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 yeah, fine, list commands. So let me zoom out the screen. It's list commands. Do remember, guys, don't give any spaces, don't give any semicolon or anything else while writing this particular command. Now what I'll be doing is that I'll be pressing simply run and current keyboard settings and then press OK. So it's looks pretty weird. Let me press Ctrl A to select all of the seats and then make the font 12 pixel, maybe no, 12 will be a bigger one, maybe 10 pixel. Let's press enter, and here we are having a manual. Now I know you all are using some Vivo, Oppo and all those mobile, and it comes up with as a simple book which doesn't have any manual, how to use it, nothing is being given, none of the feature is being shown in that particular mobile. Back in the 90s, we used to have a Nokia mobile, and we used to get a hefty kind of book in which a lot of things are being given free out of cost. So how to capture images, how to use your mobile, that thing is lagging in this 20th century. So here are all the commands. Let me zoom out the screen and let me show you what are the. So here are a lot of commands which even I don't remember myself. Try it, guys. All you have to do is that you have to press Alt and then F8 and then write list commands. List all the commands, that is the commands, the manuals which is coming up with the Microsoft MS Word, and then hit run, and you will be given all of the shortcut keys for MS Word. That's all for this short video tutorial. Thank you all, guys, and happy coding.